or so, wash my hands. I'm gonna put together my lunch. You know, poke bowls are really big, so I'm gonna show you how to make a really good, authentic poke bowl. I like to start with some old macaroni and cheese. Scoop that in there. Don't worry, I'm not serving this anymore. That's good. Then a little bit of protein. I'm gonna do some macaroni. Some people, you know, if you're a meat eater, I mean, I put a few meatballs in there. Sometimes it's nice to have a little red sauce mixed with the mac and cheese. And this is what people kind of sometimes don't do. It's a secret sauce. Some old chicken nuggets. You want to put this on top, put it in the microwave. This probably needs about 1.5 minutes. And when it comes out, I'm gonna drench it with hot sauce. And I like to make my own homemade hot sauce, but you can use anything you like. So I hope you try this at home. And that's Cooking with Adam.